Hello friends, it's Natalie. So I'm trying to get this screen recording to work on my iPad and it just doesn't want to work. So we're going to try this. I don't know. I had a really great one that I did where I just sat on my couch one day and I went to town and I made one of my pages in Procreate and it was perfect. And then I uploaded it to try to get it to work and it didn't. So here we are. We're gonna try it again and I'm just gonna breathe and we're gonna execute. So right now I'm kind of using Photoshop today and Lightroom at the same time. I recently got back into these pre-made templates by Shannon Pages, and this one I really enjoy because it's like a really high overview of what happened this month, and it's a daily thing. You can just put one sentence in, plop in a photo depending on the day, and then you're kind of done. You could probably also embellish this a little bit more and put maybe little stickers here and there on it, but for the most part, if you wanted a really quick page and do an overview of your life, your day of, oh my goodness, Natalie, a highlight of what you did every day in that month, this would be a really great template to use. So this is where I'm kind of trying to get back into my memory keeping and then also tying this into my daily journaling. Again, most of my journaling is always done in my day one app. So a lot of this is me I'm just going off of what the photo is actually saying or one highlight that came from that day. So it's not something crazy and I'm not going into super detailed on it. I'm really just being obvious because I just kind of want to get this page done and move on to the next thing, because right now I don't have a lot of time to be creating right now. I must be in a really busy season of my life, so I need things that are going to be super quick. And so this page is going to come together super quick for me. So I'm going to roll with the punches and just kind of go with that. I was having a lot of issues with both of the programs. I think I need to actually close down my iPad and kind of start over again, but it is what it is. We'll figure it out somehow. But yeah, so I'm just kind of playing around. I will probably, once I finish this page, I will probably print it on an A5 piece of paper and then kind of be done and place it in my ring bound journal. I'm also probably going to upload this into my day one app so that at the end of this month, I'm trying to be super diligent with memory keeping and writing and getting all my photos in, because I want to start printing the books again. I had taken probably January to September off from printing, and I was going to go back and actually print everything again, but I decided not to do that. So it is what it is. We shall see. But again, these templates are super simple. There's a layer for each item on here. So where I'm writing, there's going to be a text box. And for the most part, you're just going to be clicking and figuring out which layer you're on. And then for the photographs, you're basically, as you can see, there's a photograph. And then there's a small arrow. You're merging that photo down into that turquoise rectangle so that it fits inside of that rectangle. I hope that kind of makes sense. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, talk to you soon. Bye.